Installation tutorial for the through-type spring system of bamboo Roman blinds. First, we need to weigh the bamboo, and the bottom wood, and the bottom, so we can choose the appropriate model based on the weight. Here we have selected the 0.11216-3000 model. We need to thread the cord through the cord bundler and install it. Thread the cord through the curtain fabric. Then, fix the installed wire reel assembly onto the curtain rod, and also fix the spring box. Finally, insert the fiberglass hexagonal rod and remove the pin. Our spring system installation is now complete.